Oh my god, outside was really hot. I sweat a lot. There she is. My highlighter is disaster right now. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god. But I'm using this anyways because I bought this in United States. I never use products of Japan. If this thing ran out, I'm gonna go back to the United States to buy it. So I'm highlighting my cheek so I look less ugly, I hope. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Sahya. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today is May 12th of 2020, day 100 maybe. I don't know how many days I'm in right now since I started the self-quarantine. In my last video I made a Russian pop song. It was fun, and also in that video I said I was gonna try to make a video every week, which means I need to make a video now, and I couldn't come up with any video ideas until 3 hours ago. I learned it's pretty hard to come up with something when I'm looked inside this room, because most of the things I want to do is required to be outside. I enjoy being in the different places. This is not supposed to be a talking channel. This is not supposed to be a vlog channel. I started this channel because I wanted to show you guys me traveling around the world. By the way, this is my lemon juice, Smirnoff vodka with 5% of alcohol. This is just the juice. I need 40% of alcohol to get drunk. So last night my mom texted me and said she's gonna send me some face masks because I said I can't get face masks anywhere here because I'm living in a city, and my mom, who is living in a countryside, can get face masks anytime she wants. And 3 hours ago I got this package from my parents. I said I need a face mask, but this is not, I think this is just not face mask. There must be something else. So let's figure it out together. Let's open this mystery box. Fuck, I don't need this bitch. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is to take one of this wet tissue out and wipe everything out, because potentially there could be coronavirus on the surface. Okay, done. Now let's open this box. Oh my god, I'm so excited guys. How do I open this? So, oh wait, I can do this. I didn't even need the scissors. That was easy. Look. Okay. Oh my god, they got a lot. First of all, I'm looking at something I never seen. What's this? Pear jelly. So my hometown is well known for cherries, rice, and this pears. So they made, souvenir products out of it, and one of them is this. This sounds tasty. Maybe I'm gonna try later on. So next thing, I got this noodle cup. This is served without soup, and this is really tasty. I love this so much. And this specific product is only sold in my hometown, so I'm glad to have that here. Got 2 of them. Next up, rice cake. Oh, it's upside down. It's actually this way. I'd rather say this is rice cookie. In the dictionary they say rice cake, but I think it's cookie because this is snack. This is not soft or moisty like cake. This is crunchy like cookies. So I'm gonna call this rice cookies. This is healthy. It's really good for your body. Next, what? I don't know this. I don't recognize this. Let's figure it out together. I'm judging by this picture. It looks like jerky, right? It's 3 stars. What else can I figure out? It's product of my hometown. I didn't know that. I've never seen this in my hometown. Oh, so it's a mix of pork, beef, chicken, pork fat, sugar, salt, spices, so on and so on. It sounds good. So let's try this one. I love this small package, so you don't have to worry about portion sizes. Japan is really good at controlling portion sizes. This is the size of half of my finger. See? Wow. It's not jerky. It's moisty jerky. It's not jerky. Oh, this is sausage. It's really good though. I'm into it. Next up. What? Okay, so finally I've got face masks. I literally thought this was some kind of snacks, but it wasn't. It was face mask. This is just one face mask, and why I'm touching this, it feels so thick. I think this is a really good quality thing. And also I've got this normal face masks Oh, there are 50 face masks in this. This is so helpful. I really thank my parents for sending me this because I was struggling finding face masks. I still can't find anywhere to get. Oh my god, this thing is so good. I want to try this. Pear jelly. This is like opening up a Christmas present. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow, pretty. Package is like this. Can you guys see this? This package is made out of paper. It feels like it. Oh my god, can you guys see this? There's a water in it. I feel liquid. Let me open this. So there's a little scissors mark. Okay. Whoa. It's really soft jelly. So real pear is inside the jelly. How am I supposed to eat this? Like... It's in my throat. I forgot what I was gonna say. This thing should have choking hazard because the moment I put that thing in my mouth, the jelly immediately reached into the back of my throat. So it was a kind of dangerous, but overall the taste was fine. I loved it. So this is a short video. I just wanted to keep you updated. My quarantine is still fine. I'm not depressed yet. I'm doing fine. I've got it a surprise for my parents and I'm happy about it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm still in my progress trying to figure out what's next for my video. But I was gonna do like a story time where I tell you guys crazy stories that I've had in my life. But I'm not good at talking and I'm not confident about it. And I'm not in the mood of talking about it right now. So maybe I'm gonna play some games, I don't know, that I could possibly do and enjoy at the same time. So yeah, that'll be next week. So for now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Japanese product review. I want to upload as many videos as I can so I can, you know, entertain you in this quarantine. So yeah, I want to go pee and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!